Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. So students, I am a computer teacher and we were learning second lesson. So do you remember what was the name of the second lesson? Yes, anybody can tell me what is the name of the second lesson? I have told you to read the lesson. So I hope you all have read it. So you might have read the name of the lesson also, no? So tell me, what is the name of second lesson? Yes, very good students. What is the name of the second lesson? The mouse. So everybody open your book, saffron book. Okay students, so everyone has opened saffron book. You have to open second lesson, the mouse. I know we have learned this in the last episode, but now we are going to revise little bit. Okay, so what we have learned in the lesson, the mouse? Yes, the very first thing that they have shown here two pictures, that is one real mouse and one computer mouse. So you have to identify and color it, and you have to write the name down in the box, which is real mouse and which is computer mouse. So you all know which is real mouse. The first one is the real mouse and this is the computer mouse. So you have written this already. So next we have seen computer mouse. A computer mouse is like a real mouse. So how does a computer mouse looks like? It looks like a real mouse. It is a small in size. It is a small in size. It has a body and a tail. Yes, it has a body as well as a tail. Tail means the wire which is connected to it. The tail is a long wire which is attached to the CPU. This mouse wire is attached to CPU. Now we have seen the parts of mouse. So what are the parts of the mouse? A computer mouse has two buttons. The button on the left hand side is called the left mouse button. The button on the right hand side is called the right mouse button. Okay, the wheel in the center is called the scroll wheel. So this is your mouse. So the mouse where it has the left button is called what? It is called left mouse button, and right button it is called right mouse button, and here the scroll wheel. Yes, so these are the parts of the computer. Also it has a mouse wire. It has a mouse wire. So we have seen this, the left button, right button, scroll wheel and mouse wire. Now next I have told you this activity to color it afterwards. So have you done this? According to the number, the colors are given, that is first one blue, second red, third green and fourth yellow, and already here the numbers are given. So you have to color it. Where there is 1 written, you have to color blue color. Where there is 2 is written, you have to color red. Where there is 3 is written, you have to color green. And lastly 4 outside, that is you have to color which color? Yes, you have to color yellow. And you have to identify the thing. What is that? You have to write here. So what you have written there? Those who have colored, they can identify what it is. Yes, it is a mouse. Very good students. And also they have told you to labels, you have to draw a arrow. Already the labels have been written. Just you have to draw the arrow to that part of mouse. So we have done this in the last episode. Next, mouse pad. Why the mouse pad is used? Yes, because if you use mouse pad, the mouse will get very easy flat surface to operate. A computer mouse should always be kept on a soft and flat surface called mouse pad. We should always operate it on soft and flat surface so that you can easily operate. If you keep it down in a hard place, it will not operate so easily as you compare to this mouse pad. Okay, next activity is mouse pads are available in different shapes and size. Design your own mouse pad on a sheet of paper. Share the design with your classmate. So you have to draw your own mouse pad. You have to make it your own mouse pad with different shape or size, and you have to show to your friends. Now your friends are not there, so no problem, you can show to your parents, your relatives, or near your home there will be your friends. Now you can share with them. Okay. Next is the correct way to hold the mouse. So what is the correct way that we have learned? Okay, we will see it once again. To write on a paper, you hold the pencil with your fingers and thumb. So to hold your pencil, how do you hold your pencil? With the help of your fingers as well as your thumb. In the same way, you use your hand for holding the mouse. You must learn to hold the mouse in the correct way. So what is the correct way? So these are the fingers. So very first, this is called thumb. This is index finger. This is what is this? Middle finger. This is ring finger, and last is little finger. So how to hold it? Yes, to hold the mouse with your right hand, put your index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger on the right mouse button. Rest your palm on the mouse. So to hold your right hand. So as I told you, few students will be holding the mouse on right hand and few they may use left hand. But when you are using your right hand, you have to put your index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger on the right mouse button and rest of your palm on the mouse, and then you have to operate the mouse. And those who hold the mouse with their left hand, what they have to do? The left-handed person will use his or her middle finger to click the left mouse button. He will use his middle finger to click left mouse button. He or she will use the index finger to click the right mouse button. So to click the right mouse button, he or she has to use index finger. Okay students, so have you understood how you have to hold a correct way? How is the correct way to hold the mouse? Yes. So next you have seen this picture. Yes. So which is the correct way to hold the mouse? Yes, this one, we have done it already. So what are the mouse action? Mouse action is when you press a mouse button, it makes a click sound. So students, whenever you operate on the mouse, whenever you sit in front of your computer and you operate it, so you can see the click sound. Pressing the mouse button is called clicking. So when you press the button, there will be one sound that is click, and it is called clicking. Okay, so there are the following are the mouse actions. So what are those? That is left click, right click, single click, double click and scroll. So what is the left click? It is the press and release the left mouse button. It is the press and release the left mouse button. If you press left mouse button, it is the left click. Right click is press and release the right mouse button. So when you click to the right side, it is the right click. And mostly single click we use to press and release the left mouse button once it is used to select an item. So whenever we have to select some folder, something written, notepad, anything, we have to click single click, that is left side, that is left mouse button. Double click is press and release the left mouse button twice quickly. So when someone instruct you to click to do double click, that time you have to press it twice, but very quickly you have to do. Next, the scroll. What is the scroll? The wheel is used to go up and down the window. So when you want to move the page upside and downside, you use this scroll button, scroll wheel. So what is that? The scroll down rolls the wheel down. If you want to go down, you have to scroll it down. If you want to scroll up, you have to roll the wheel upside. Okay. Okay, now everybody hold your pencil in your hand. We'll start writing activity 5. So what is that? Identify the mouse action. You have to identify the mouse action. To press and release the left mouse button once. To press and release the left mouse button once. So what will be which click we have to use? Yes, who can tell me? Who can tell me which click we have to use? Just only we have seen. Who will tell me which click? I will read question once again. To press and release the left mouse button. Yes, very good students. It is a single. Yes, it is a, what it is? It is single click. So write here everybody. What is the spelling of single? S-I-N-G-L-E, single click. What is the spelling of single click? S-I-N-G-L-E, single click. Next, second one, to roll the wheel down. So if you want to roll the wheel down, what you have to do? What you have to use? Which mouse action you have to use? You have to use scroll down. What you have to do? You have to use scroll down. What is the spelling of scroll? S-C-R-O-L-L, scroll. S-C-R-O-L-L, scroll. And what is the spelling of down? D-O-W-N, down. D-O-W-N, down. Scroll down. To roll the wheel down, we use the mouse action as scroll down. Done? Yes. Next, to press and release the left mouse button twice quickly. To press and release the left mouse button twice and quickly. Which action do we use? Yes, who will tell me which action do we use? Yes, we use double click. What do we use? We use double click. What is the spelling of double? D-O-U-B-L-E. D-O-U-B-L-E. C-L-I-C-K, click. D-O-U-B-L-E, double. C-L-I-C-K, click. Double click. Done, everybody? Yes. Write with me only. Don't be back. Okay. So, have you written what is the next one? To roll the wheel up. So, when you want to roll the wheel up, what are you going to do the mouse action? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, who will tell me? What are you going to do? You have to scroll up. What are you going to do? You have to scroll up. So we'll write there, scroll up. Yes, C-R-O-L-L, scroll, U-P, up. Done? Done? Yes. Now next we will do a small recap. What is that? Like a real mouse, a computer mouse has a body and a tail. It has two buttons and a wheel in a center. The wheel in the center is called the scroll wheel. Very good. It can perform different function like clicking and scroll. That is scrolling. Okay. So students, have you understood the lesson? Yes. Now we will solve the exercise. Yes. The first one, a computer mouse has dash buttons and a wheel in the center. So the computer mouse has how many buttons? Yes, two buttons. So you have to write here 2. T-W-O-2. The helping box is given. With the help of these spellings you have to write here, but you have to learn the spellings. The computer mouse has two buttons and a wheel in the center. Very good. Next. The wire of the mouse is connected to the, where the wire of the mouse is connected? Who will tell me? Yes, to the CPU box. So everybody write here, CPU B-O-X, box, CPU box. The wire of the mouse is connected to the CPU box. Yes, next one. A pad on which you keep and move the mouse is called. So which pad do we use? Mouse pad. Yes, very good students. Which pad do we use? We use mouse pad. So write here mouse spelling, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, P-A-D, pad, mouse pad. A pad on which you keep and move the mouse is called a mouse pad. Next, fourth one. Pressing and releasing the left mouse button twice quickly is called Yes, when you press and release the left mouse button, then what is the answer? When you press and release the left mouse button twice, quickly. When you press and release the left mouse button twice quickly is called, yes, very good. It is called double click. It is called double click. So write here DOUBLE, double CLICK, click. DOUBLE, double CLICK, click. Done. Next one. To dash, roll the wheel of the mouse up. What do we do if you want to wheel the scroll up? Yes, we use scroll up. So write here answer SCROLL, scroll up, UP, up. Done? Yes. Next one. Identify the words with the help of the given clues. So you have to identify this picture and you have to write here the words, missing words. So first one, what it is? Mouse. So what is the spelling of mouse? M is written, you have to write OUSE, mouse. Done? Yes, very good students. Next one. What is this? Mouse pad. So MO is written, you have to write here U, yes, and pad, what is the spelling of pad? PAD. So write in between A. Done? Yes. Next one. Here what it is? Single click. What it is? Single click. So what is the spelling of single? SINGLE. SINGLE, single click. CLICK, click. Next, here he is doing double click. What is the spelling of double? DOUBLE, double click. CLIC is written, you have to write K, double click. Next one, he is doing scroll. What is doing? He is scrolling. He is just scrolling. So what is the spelling of scrolling? SCR, right here R, SCRO double LING, SCRO double LING, scrolling. Done students? I will wait for a minute. Okay students, have you done? Okay students, have you written this? Yes. Now come to the next page. So you have to do this when you come to school or when you are in a home. What you have to do? You have to left click any item on the desktop or right click any item on the desktop, double click any item on the desktop. Okay. Now there is one more brainstorm that you have to do afterwards. So students, I hope you all have understood the lesson. Okay students, so you all have understood the second lesson? Yes, that is the mouse. So you have to read it carefully in your home, and you have to understand the lesson, and also you have to read the hard words which you feel that is hard. Okay, so in the next episode we will see the new lesson. Up till then, take care. Bye bye.